mood to fully celebrate my birthday with you guys. Can we do this properly? Alright, you know what I'm thinking, Biggs?
My G.
By the way, thank you so much. That was so sweet, guys. Thank you. Here's what I'm thinking, right?
Hello guys, so we're going to the Holi event for the first time, and this is our first time, as I said, because you know we are not from India, we are from Pakistan, and the Indian event. So yes, let's go.
Guys, some of the people, they are giving us free water here, appreciate it, and free coffee. It is getting warm here, so I'm seeing a lot of people like they are sitting under the shadows, eating because it's quite sunny. So these are biryanis, Indian snacks, and mirch masalas. So he's just here you go. Where were you, bro?
I was in your heart, and I was looking for the thing called that I put in the bun. Oh, told me like it's called Vada.
Did you get that?
Not yet, because like there's a lot of people. So
We are about to get the Pani Puri from here. 7 hours. Excuse me.
What else was there?
Do you guys accept card?
Yes.
Yeah.
मेरे पे नहीं आया ना.
Look at you. I don't believe you. You're not SN anymore.
Yeah, I'm colorful SN now.
You're like you have colors. You know.
मैं रंगबाज.
You know what I mean?
मैं रंगबाज.
You know what I mean? Now you got colors.
50 Shades of SN.
No. I'm talking about different colors. Rainbow.
With this. Okay. Put your hands in the air. County Judge KP George is here to wish you. Thank you, man. This is a county, and he's the judge of this county. This is so sweet. I can't tell you what it's like. I've never actually... Oh, sure. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you, man. They are one. I can't believe I'm sharing my birthday with this many people. Thank you so much. Well, look, that's so nice what you're giving me. I think I still need to give back a lot more. I am now in the mood to fully celebrate my birthday with you guys. Can we do this properly? Alright, you know what I'm thinking, Biggs?
My G.
By the way, thank you so much. That was so sweet, guys. Thank you. Here's what I'm thinking, right? Yo, hold on. Yo, Biggs. Hit with another one. Hey, 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 hey. Okay. Yo, here's what I want to do. I was filming a TikTok earlier, right? Here's what we're gonna do. While this song goes on, I'm gonna do my TikTok, and when I turn around to you guys, I want you guys to go crazy, alright? Hold on, here we go, ready? We're gonna do a little like this. Here we go! Okay, get ready for it. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's go! Next song, normally when I need to perform this song, I need my guy with me because he sings all the Punjabi parts, right? But seeing as he's not here, you said you can do it? Yeah? Well, look, can I have a go at it? I'm thinking, can I try to sing the Punjabi parts? But the thing is, you know, people are like, Jay Sean. What kind of Punjabi name is Jay Sean? Well, my real name is Kamaljeet Singh Juti. And Hanji Minu Punjabi on the air. Thank you very much. So here's what I'm gonna do. Without any music, I'm gonna sing a little bit of Punjabi a cappella. If you like it, I will sing the whole song. If you don't like it, to be honest, I'm still gonna sing the whole song. So it's gonna go a little like this. Ready? Here we go. Akuri soni, te akh mastani, tu gidya di rani, ni gal sun ja. Tu dil khole ta mera man mole ta ek gal ho reha, ni gal sun ja. Oh main ta teri naal nachna, oh main ta teri naal nachna. Said I just wanna, oh main ta teri naal nachna.
Back in our country, they all white rickshaws because it's like a lot of hassle and stuff. But here, can you show? It's a long queue. They're all waiting for the rickshaw.
Yeah. So here it's kind of luxury, right?
That's they're all waiting for that to get in the rickshaw.
Yeah, it's kind of weird.
Dude, bro. Luck.
Let them on stage. Everybody on stage. Come on. Arshad. Alright. We got 10 more. We got 5 more minutes. Everybody.
Back to Pakistan, right?
Yep.
What they used to say? Toker.
Toker. Station.
What?